Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We are literally diving in 2022 in next 5 days, and if your new year resolution is either to learn German or to have a better study plan or a more organized study plan for German, then this is the correct video. In today's video, I'll be sharing the top 10 steps that you need to take to plan out your German goal for 2022. So before further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so the number one and the most important step is to be clear with your study habits. What type of a learner are you? Do you learn better when you are alone? Do you learn better when you're self-studying or self-learning? Or you're someone who can learn much faster and better with the help of a tutor? You need to understand under which category you fall in order to plan out your further step. If you're someone who is falling under second category and you need me to teach you German, then please make sure to contact me with these given details. We have German batches for A1, A2 and B1 level every month. So make sure you contact me as soon as possible, because the German batch for January month is starting from 6th Jan and the demo lecture is on the 2nd Jan. So make sure you contact me ASAP. Now let's focus on the step 2. In the step 2, make sure you have a time frame. It doesn't matter for which level you are studying, whether you are a beginner or you're an intermediate. It doesn't matter. Give yourself a time frame, whether it might be 1 month or 3 months. Do you want to finish your course in 1 month or do you want to finish that level in 3 months? Make a fixed time frame. The reason why you need to set a time frame for yourself is because now you have a deadline that you need to finish a course by the 3rd month or by the 1st month or 31st Jan or whatever it is. And that way you can be consistent. You have that motivation to study every single day, to be consistent throughout the month or throughout those 3 months, and you can actually achieve completing those levels in 1 month or 3-month period. Also, make sure you exactly know how many minutes or how many hours you can give every single day or maybe the alternate days for your course or for your time frame. For example, if you're someone who is busy, who is working a full-time job, and if you only can give 30 minutes every single day, make sure you stick to that plan. Similarly, if you're someone who can give 1 hour or 1.5 hour every alternate days, then make sure you stick to that plan. Know how many minutes or how many hours you can give for every day or every alternate day, as well as give yourself that monthly time frame. Now, step 3 is getting a resource list. I highly recommend doing this particular step. It doesn't matter at which level you are or have you already started learning German. It doesn't matter. Get a pen and a paper and make that damn list. You need to make these 5 lists: vocabulary list, grammar list, essay topic list, books you would like to read in that particular language, and then films or movies list. Step 5 is to divide that resource list. For example, do vocabulary every single day or maybe every alternate day. Make a habit of learning 1 or 2 grammar topics every single week. You can also allot 1 day where you can watch a movie, read a book, listen to a podcast, listen to German videos on YouTube, anything. Give that 1 day just to have other activities and not just studying with your target language. Similarly, have a habit of writing 10 sentences in German language every single day. If you want someone to check those sentences, someone who is your friend with a higher level, someone like a tutor, make sure you send that to them. Let them check it. Now, step 5 is going to be watching a movie or reading a book or reading even a small article in German language every single month. It's okay, sometimes people don't like to read a book in German language or in any other languages. They have a particular genre, or they're not a movie fan, or you're not an article fan. That's okay, and that's why I'm saying that you need to watch at least 1 movie or even 1 article, read 1 article or even a book in your target language just once a month. That's all. Finish that particular thing once a month. Now, step 6 is the most important step, which I highly recommend. Something you need to do throughout your time frame is be consistent. You know the plan, now be consistent with it. If you're not consistent, you're not going to complete that particular course or even that particular level in the given time frame, and you're going to keep repeating those particular chapters, those particular resources over and over again, and it's like 2022 will be past and you will be still in that same level, and you don't want that. So make sure you be consistent throughout the time frame. Step 7 is going to be having a fixed schedule. For example, if you are someone who can give only 30 minutes every single day or 1 hour every single day, then make sure you know exactly that time frame when you're going to sit for learning German. For example, if your free time slot is 7 to 8 p.m., make sure you sit every single day in that particular time slot and you only and only focus on learning German. No distractions, no cell phones, no movies, no calling friends, nothing. Give that 1 hour or even that 30 minutes only and only for learning German. Step 8 is quite similar to step 6, and that is to have a strict consistency on the Duolingo app. And this is something which I would highly recommend if you're someone who is very busy or has a full-time job. Giving that 10 minutes or even 15 minutes on Duolingo, I'm not saying that you're going to learn German completely on Duolingo, not at all. It's just a helping app, it's just an helping tool which will just push you for more extra 15 minutes to learn German. But yes, if you keep consistency, it will help you out a lot. Step 9 is to maintain a journal. It's something which I would suggest for more of an intermediate level. Now, this is something I keep for myself, and journaling and journaling in your target language is the best way to learn that target language, really saying. Now, this is something I have, and I write every single day in German language, whatever, like what am I feeling, how was the day, or what are the things I need to do on that particular day, what is the most important thing for that particular day, or what is most amazing thing happened on that particular day. Write about anything. If you have nothing on that particular day, then write about the most important person in your life. You can have ample of things to write while journaling, and you can make it fun. You can add stickers, you can add pictures, ribbons, whatnot. The last step is going to be finding a partner who will hold you accountable throughout your learning journey. Trust me, having a partner is so much better, and this is something which I have experienced and even my students have experienced. So we learn in batches. Of course, I have individual batches as well, but with the regular batches, they have become friends, and whenever they want to practice speaking or whenever they want to do a self-study before our test, they actually get together online and they speak with each other, they help each other practice, they hold each other accountable, whether it is for homework, self-studying or learning. It's so amazing. So this is what I would suggest immensely, having a partner to hold you accountable and responsible for those 3 months or for your time frame. It's so much amazing, and you will achieve your goal faster than you think. So these are my 10 important steps that you can follow to plan out your German goals for 2022. Also, if you would like to enroll yourself for the demo lecture, make sure you contact me with the given details. All the batch details will be down in the description box, so you can check that out as well. If you're seeing this face for the first time, hi, my name is Prarthana, and if you like such content, do think about subscribing to the channel, giving this video a big fat thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.